The total invoice amount box displays the monetary value of invoices generated by the school, whether by the bursar or admin. This value accumulates over time and decreases only if an issued invoice is deleted before it is paid. Please note that processed invoices cannot be deleted and will always be available for review by the admin or bursar. The current invoice owed box shows the monetary value of all unpaid invoices, including those with active, processing, and partially paid statuses. This value increases with the creation of new invoices and decreases as invoices are paid, confirmed, verified, or deleted. The total amount box sums up the monetary value of all paid, confirmed, and verified invoices, including any overpaid invoices. For more information on overpaid invoices, please refer to the overpaid invoice tutorial. The table contains a list of invoices, with the newest ones appearing at the top and older ones at the bottom. The student column indicates the name of the student associated with each invoice. The category column specifies the classification of the bill. In the status column, you can view the current status of each invoice. The amount column displays the monetary value of the invoices. The balance column shows the difference between the invoice value and the amount paid by parents. A negative balance indicates that the parent has overpaid, allowing them to store funds in the school's account for future use. A positive balance signifies that the parent has only partially paid the invoice, with the remaining balance representing the unpaid amount. Invoices with a partial payment remain active until fully paid or overpaid. Not applicable in the balance column denotes a non-applicable balance, indicating that the parent has paid the full amount of the invoice. The creator column indicates who created the invoice, either an admin or bursar. The date column displays the creation date of the invoice, which cannot be modified for record-keeping purposes.